Faceless grind, I'm paving my lane. Me 2 times, yeah, we changing the game. Elevate me to you, vibe is brand new. Built it from scratch, now we teaching you. Hit that sub, let the vision come true. This ain't just content, it's what we do.
Welcome to Module 1, Video 2 of the PLR Rebrand series here on Elevate Me to You, where we help creators turn done-for-you content into profitable, personalized assets. In this video, we're diving into a powerful truth: PLR is for everyone. Whether you're a beginner, a coach, a digital product seller, or just testing the waters, you can use PLR videos to create content that looks and feels 100% your own. Let's break it down and show you exactly why rebranding PLR works no matter where you're starting.
Hello and welcome back. This is video number 2, and in this particular video we're going to discuss what everyone else does. You see, the best way to win in the PLR or private label rights business is to avoid doing what everyone else does. Now, I want to say this for just a second. Just because I'm talking about video courses, it doesn't just mean video courses. You can take this same concept and relate it to a PLR report, a PLR ebook, or a PLR software. So what you're learning here is easily transferable. So let's get back to business. What is everyone else doing? But maybe a better question is, who is everyone else? So let's figure that out. Well, everyone else is people who bought the same private label rights product as you. Specific product, I mean. So if you bought a specific product on how to do email marketing basics, for example, and somebody else bought the exact same product from that vendor, then that would be considered your competition. Here's the thing. What we've noticed statistically, which is a benefit to you if you're watching this, and especially if you're going to apply these strategies, is that out of 1,000 people, usually only 10 or 20% of that amount. So out of 1,000 people, 10 or 20% is 100 to 200 people will typically actually sell the product. We're all guilty of buying something and not using it. All right. I'm not pointing any fingers. I've had the same situation before. We all get busy and all that. But the beauty of that is usually only 10% or 20% of people will actually use the product. So let's say hypothetically max out 20%, 200 people out of the 1,000 that bought actually are going to sell this product. Now, out of that 100 people, typically the majority will change the title and sell it. And then maybe half of those people, or even less, will actually change the graphics. And then less than half of those people, probably about 10 people, will actually change the sales page. Believe it or not, yes, you can still make money by slapping your name on it, changing a few things, and doing it just that. But if you take it a step further and do what I'm teaching you in this video course, you're most likely going to be that 1 or 2 people who actually apply these strategies and build an actual product, probably a new product based on the video course. So keep in mind that private label rights is just a kind of it's like an empty house. And you can still build on that house and build something beautiful and build something that's totally different than what everyone else is selling. And I can guarantee you, if you do that, you just add a little bit of value, you will be that 1 or 2 person that bought that private label rights product that is unique. And those people are the people that actually succeed. So, like I said, if you're selling the same title, with the same graphics, with the same sales pages, you are competing with everyone else. And this is fine, but imagine selling with the exact same title, or worse, imagine trying to rank on the same title in Google. You're competing with everybody else. And what ends up happening is it becomes a price war. Look on Amazon. I mean, look at other stores, retail stores, for example. Everybody is fighting for the price. So even if you have a dollar price lower, your customers or their customers are going to come to you and vice versa and all that. So you don't want to fight on the playing level of price. You want to fight on the level of value. And that is what you're going to learn today, and that's how you're going to succeed. Let's say that you do change the title and the graphics, but you still use the exact same sales page. Yeah, you're still going to be that small minority that actually does something, and you're definitely going to make money, but it's still going to be hard because people are going to have deja vu experiences, and they're going to think, wait a minute, I looked at that sales page, they didn't buy, they went to somebody else's sales page, and they're like, wait a minute, it all looks the same, right? So you might want to even get creative and turn that sales page into a sales letter. Hire a voiceover artist and have them read the script and turn it into a sales video. I can tell you right now, most people don't even do that. So that's an idea for you. So if you're doing that, you're probably one of the few. Now, I want to say that this can actually work on projects that have giveaway rights. So if you have a report or an ebook or something like that have giveaway rights, or in other words, rights that allow you to give it away for free without charging somebody a fee or money, that can work on this. You could literally get away by using the same title, using the same graphics and all of that, because you're giving it away for free. But the majority of video courses usually and typically do not have giveaway rights. So for example, if this video course happens to have giveaway rights with exception of an affiliate bonus or a paid product, then whoever sold it to you is probably violating the license. So make sure that you pay close attention to the license and get a better understanding of what your scenario is. Even if the video course has giveaway rights, then adding more value to it will actually be better for the long haul. It can last you for literally a decade, as long as the content in the video course is still good. So what most people are living in is this nightmare of not knowing how to profit strategically. If you are, it's time to get out. So if you're in that situation, I want you to get out. All right. I want to see you succeed. So hopefully that puts things into perspective as why you're losing in this game. PLR is widely profitable, but only for people willing to put in the effort. PLR allows you to bypass literally months worth of product creation that would otherwise take you weeks or even months to create. However, that said, you will need to do some legwork. All right. And that's where we go in the next video.
That wraps up Module 1, Video 2 of the PLR Rebrand series. And now you know, PLR isn't just for marketers or tech-savvy creators. It's for anyone ready to save time, create content faster, and grow their brand with confidence. Be sure to grab the free Rebrand checklist in the description and check out the full playlist to follow along with each module. Comment below and tell me, what kind of PLR content are you thinking about rebranding? And if you're serious about growing with faceless content, digital products, or AI-powered tools, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this series. Up next, Module 1, Video 3, where we'll walk through fixing common issues like missing files in your PLR package. Let's learn, build, and grow collectively. Quote,